Welcome. In front of me is a Black Shark 5, and today I will show you how we can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your toggles from the upper right side of the screen and extend the list right here and locate the toggle for Do Not Disturb mode, which for me it's right over here. Now this is the default location of this toggle, so hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. Once you do, the first time around I do recommend holding this toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. So scroll down just a little bit further down and you will find the Do Not Disturb section. And here we have the toggle, which allows you to obviously turn it on and off. Then we have a schedule. So you can set up a schedule, though we can only customize it once you enable it for some reason, and you can only have one setup at a time from what I can see. So select start and end time, and then each day of the week that you want it to run in. And if you're planning to use the schedule, just make sure that it's toggled on right here, and that's all you will need to do. But for everybody else who wants to use use the Not Disturb mode manually, I can keep that off and then just customize the rest of the things, which is when the device is locked, meaning if enabled, the Do Not Disturb mode will only run when the device is locked and you're not using it. Then you have the option for notify about callers, so you can choose who you will be notified about. So you can select anyone, contacts, favorites, or no one, which is the default option. And below that, we do have a notify about repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, you will be notified about it if it's turned on, completely bypassing the first option for calls. So there we go. Once you went to the settings, you can close this and you don't have to come back here again. And whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode in a manual way, just tap on the toggle this time around. Now, because I'm showing it manual way, if you enable it, you do also want to remember to turn it off, otherwise it will be running indefinitely in the background. So you turn it off by simply tapping on the toggle once again. So that is basically how you can set up your Do Not Disturb mode and use it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.